Calculate the mass of lead 2 sulfate formed when 2 liters of 0.0250 molar sodium sulfate is mixed with sufficient lead 2 nitrate. Alright, so the thing that we are looking for is mass, so question mark grams of lead 2 sulfate, so PbSO4. And that's the precipitate. You can use a little down arrow to indicate that it's the precipitate. The thing we are given is 2.00 liters of sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Okay, we're told that the sodium sulfate is 0.025 molar. So there are 0.0250 moles of Na2SO4 for every 1 liter of Na2SO4. Okay, I am in liters, so that means that I can use this conversion factor immediately, which is great. So I'm going to put 1 liter of Na2SO4 in the denominator and 0.0250 moles of Na2SO4. I do that so that I can cancel liters of Na2SO4 with liters there. Alright, so now I am in moles of Na2SO4, but I want gram PB. So at this point, I believe that I have started with my known volume, I've gone through molarity, I'm getting ready to go through Moletown with my balanced chemical equation. So, Moletown, the mole ratio is for every 1 mole of Na2SO4, I want to go to lead sulfate. I get 1 mole of lead sulfate, SO4. So let's see, I'm going to put 1 mole of sodium, Na2SO4, sulfate, for every 1 mole of lead sulfate, SO4. And I do that so that I can cancel this moles Na2SO4, leaving me in the moles PbSO4. All right. Here's the thing. I want grams. I want grams. So I'm in my Moletown ratio, and I want grams. So I'm going to take this orange line here. Okay, it is not an element, so I can't convert with atomic mass units, but I can convert with my molecular mass. So now I just need to go find out what the molecular mass of PbSO4 is. Alright, so I have found that the molecular mass of PbSO4 is 303.25 grams per mole of PbSO4. And I did that by taking the atomic mass unit, atomic mass of lead, and there's only 1 atom, gives me this much. The atomic mass unit of sulfur, there's only 1 atom, gives me this much. And the atomic mass of oxygen, but there's 4 atoms, gives me this much. When I add them all up, I get the total molecular mass of 303.25. So I'm going to write this right here, 303.25 grams of PbSO4 is the same thing as 1 mole of PbSO4. And when let's see, so I want moles to be on bottom. Moles PbSO4. And I want grams, 303.25 grams of PbSO4. Here, I do this so that I can cancel moles with moles, leaving me in the units that I want. Now this becomes a math problem. It's going to be, I'm going to bring it down here so I can do the math much easier. It's going to be 2.00 times 0.0250 times 1 times 303.25 grams. Whoops, I don't even need units here. Divided by the quantity 1 times 1 times 1. When I do the math, I solve the top and simplify and get 15.1625, and all of that over 1. When I simplify again, I get equals 15.1625 grams of PbSO4. All right, so that's a pretty good answer, but if I were asked to significant figure, this number here has 3 sig figs. And this number here has 3 significant figures as well. So I would sig fig to the third place, 3 sig figs. The 1 is significant. Oops. I would say that the 1 is significant, the 5 is significant. The 1 is significant, but the 6 is not, but it's important because what's it do? It rounds that up. Grams of PbSO4.